Amazon just had its biggest hardware event of 2025, packed with new devices and a bold AI upgrade that could reshape how you interact with your smart home and gadgets. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your hub of all the tech updates. Let's begin with the spotlight this time. The four powerful new Echo devices, the Echo Dot Max, Echo Studio, Echo Show 8, and Echo Show 11 are Amazon's most advanced ones yet. These will power the Alexa Plus, Amazon's smarter, more intuitive AI assistant. Speaking of Alexa Plus, it isn't just faster, but now it's smarter. It even remembers past conversations and carries on talking without feeling like a reset robot every day. Imagine asking Alexa to find a restaurant, make a reservation, and even schedule your ride, all with personalized touches based on your history and preferences. This AI evolution extends to Fire TV too, where Alexa Plus lets you skip straight to the big fight or the dating montage in a show, making binge watching smoother than ever. Kindle fans aren't left behind either. The new Kindle Scribe range introduces the first ever color model, plus AI that reads and understands your handwritten notes, so you can search, summarize, and even compare them without typing a thing. It's like having a digital secretary that gets your messy scribbles. Amazon's AI revolution doesn't stop there. The person who rings your doorbells gets Alexa Plus greetings. It even chats with visitors and decides if they're worth your attention. Even the Ring search party uses neighborhood cameras and AI to help you find your lost pet. With these powerful devices and AI upgrades, Amazon will surely make Alexa Plus a part of your smart life. But with rivals like Google and Microsoft in the ring, it's anyone's game. Will Alexa Plus become your ultimate assistant, or just another voice in the crowd? What do you think? Comment down below, hit that like button, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.